So I'm doing what's called an H pattern. So tack down the middle and you're separating it into halves. Tack down just the very edges of it. And you can organize your fingers a little bit. Grab your heat gun. So for shrinking, I'll pull up on the bottom and then just kind of, you'll pull it out a little bit and that pushes or puts some tension on it. And you'll just heat right past where it connects to the window. So you're kind of just shrinking it all nice and even as you go. And you just do that straight across. Kind of organize things so you can press it down a little bit to see where you're at. Starts to get a little hot at the end. So then you can just use your heat, and also there's a little bit of air that kind of lifts the film up too as you go. Sometimes it can bounce off this and lift up the edge. Just kind of real gentle with it. And then same thing for the top. So I'm just going to pinch near this top. There's going to be more that needs to be shrunk right in here than the rest of it. And this area is a little down farther. So I'm just going to kind of start here, work my way up. Just be real even with it. So when you get to the top, there's a few things you can do. You can be a little bit more aggressive with it. Shrink it like you would traditional fingers. Or you can also blow some air underneath it and that curls the very edge of it. And it's just kind of a nice little back and forth and it lays right down. We have it sectioned off into quarters, so we're doing the same thing. And you'll notice a little bit of tension right here. I didn't really shrink past that a whole lot. I didn't want to put too much heat right here and just split it directly in half because I want to start up here and kind of work it all smoothly together. So this is really going to connect the two together. Leaves it nice and even. So again, this area right here has the most curve to it. So that's where usually your problem spots will come into play. And this is a little bit lower than the rest of it, so I really just kind of start on this side and then work up the rest of it to get even with it. It's real gradual. You can push the film back and forth a little bit, just kind of distribute the heat as evenly as possible so it all lays down together. So I can either shrink these like normal and just kind of take my time with it. But a way to get these smooth again is just run some heat right under. And it's just like snap shrinking a door. And then it all just kind of lays down. And then there you go. You have a shrunk back window.